Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to disable picture-in-picture mode on Netflix app. So to do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to the Netflix app, open it, and open any movie or show that you want to watch. And after that, swipe up. Just one moment, let it play. And as you can see now, the picture-in-picture mode is activated. So to deactivate this mode, you have just to click on the icon on the top left of the screen, the X icon, like that. And the picture-in-picture mode on Netflix app is deactivated. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next one.